G'day folks, today in this quick little video we're going to take a closer look at the sleeve and lanyard by GoPro. Now these will work with the GoPro Hero 5 Black, the Hero 6 Black, and the new GoPro Hero 2018. So let's open up the boxes, we'll see how they look, and we'll see what all comes inside. So now I've got a black one and a blue one. They also come in white. But these are the two that I chose. Now the funny thing is I recorded a video about a week ago, you may recall if you've watched it, kind of introducing some of the new products that GoPro just introduced and updated. And I kind of made a statement in there that I don't know if I would actually have any use for them. Well, we went to Niagara Falls last weekend, and I tell you, I could have used it because what was happening is I had my GoPro just in my pocket. I didn't have it mounted on anything. I just had the camera itself. I was using it to take photos and different things like that because I was filming with one of my 360 cameras. I was carrying it around because I was trying to get some interesting shots with the 360. So I was constantly going in my pocket, grabbing the GoPro, turning it on, taking a picture, shutting it off, putting it back in my... It was kind of a pain. And having one of these lanyards and having the GoPro around my neck actually would have been a lot more convenient. So yeah, I definitely think they might just come in handy for certain situations. But anyways, let's open them up and we'll take a look at them. So let's do the black one first. So that's basically it for the black one. And the blue one. So yeah, here they are. And right off first initial inspection, they're actually quite thick. I've seen some other ones for the GoPros, on Amazon, and they were more like a thickness of a balloon. They just did not have a really good feel to them. But with this one, they have actually a nice thickness to them and rigidity that definitely will give it some extra protection if you happen to drop it. Nice long cord on them, and they seem to be very well built, that's for sure. Yeah, no stretching there. Seems to be a good, nice firm connection there. Has the microphone cutouts. And here's the blue one. I'll let you take a close look at it, and then we'll throw a camera into them and see how they look. So yeah, just like that. And they actually look really sharp, to tell you the truth. And the nice thing is you still have full access to your screen. So, if you want to change settings, mode button, speaker, microphone on the bottom, microphone on the side, microphone on the top there, microphone. So yeah, quite nice actually. So let's do the blue one now. We'll see what it looks like. I think the black one's my favorite. The blue, I think, would be maybe a little bit more visible in certain situations if you happen to drop it in tall grass. Not that you're going to be having to search for it. It's not like a drone. If you crash your drone, sometimes the bright colors are easier to find. But, yeah, and the sleeves actually go on fairly easy. So, yeah, actually, that looks pretty good, too. So yeah, actually I don't really know which is my favorite color. I do like the black. The black does look sharp. I'm kind of a black kind of person. But yeah, actually really nice. So with these lanyards, you can have them draped around your neck. It's plenty long enough for that. But you can also have them on your wrist here as well. That's why they give you that second little kind of adjuster there. Put it on your wrist. Tighten it up. And that way you're not going to drop it if you're holding it, taking pictures, if you're doing something that's a little precarious. So yeah, folks, that is basically it. Are they worth the $20? I think they're a better quality than some of the ones that you get on Amazon, that is for sure. I guess it depends how you use your GoPro, whether it's worth it or not. Like I said, I could have used one of these last weekend, and they are a nice quality. So I think for myself, I would have to say yes. I think for $20 they are worth it. And I think they make a great addition to my GoPro kit. Well, folks, that's it for this video. I'll include the links down below where you can purchase them. Let me know what your opinion, what you think of them. If you think they're worth the $20 price tag, comment down below and let me know. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.